Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the VerRon store, the rechargeable battery powered wall sconces. It's a set of two with beautiful green glass lampshades and two remotes. It has 15 colors that are going to come out in here. It's a beautiful brushed nickel. Let me show you close-ups of everything, but I'm really impressed with the quality right off the bat. First thing I'm going to show you is how this was boxed, how safe everything was packed in foam and cardboard. You can see that they're very careful so that it reaches you in perfect condition, nothing broken, everything here. This product has a 1-year warranty and it gets excellent customer ratings. So what's great about something like this is you could say goodbye to complicated wiring. You don't have to worry about finding an outlet or bashing a hole in your wall and running conduit, Romex. You can really put these anywhere you want that they look beautiful on your wall. Because internally they have their own battery that's rechargeable, and you just use them for several days. There's a timer mode. It comes with a really simple, nicely written instruction manual, two-sided, showing you how to operate the unit. But let's just start off by looking at this beautiful glass right here. This is got a really heavy weight to it. It's very solid, extremely smooth, molded glass. I'm really impressed with that. They didn't cut any corners there. And then the actual nickel finish, you can get different finishes available, but look how beautiful that looks. Here is the screw-on plate that will hold that lampshade on. They just did a really nice job, high quality. Here is the mounting pieces that you're going to tighten those screws right there, and you're going to mount this anywhere on your wall. And they do include your mounting hardware so that you can mount it in directly into the wood if you want to, or you can go into your drywall itself. Really, really nice. They didn't cut corners on this either. It's just beautiful, brushed looking, high quality. Now it does come with remotes. Make sure you pull the little tab out on there, and then each one of these remotes will work to power the lights. There's charging cables, USB A to C. And it's very simple. There is a USB-C port that is right on each light. And all you do is you take a 1 amp or greater and you plug that in, and then you see that red LED will come on. And when it's done charging, it actually turns green. Now there is a manual mode on here. You can see there is a tiny button right there, and you can cycle through the different colors using manual mode. If you hold that down, it will turn off the light. My recommendation is to use the remotes because they work really well. You have two of them. It's pointed at those units. So you have your basic on-off. I remembered what it was last time I was using it. And you have choices of colors on here. Beautiful colors, as you can see. And once you put them in that glass, they're going to look pretty amazing. So you have a lot of color options on here. You also have timers. So you can go on the timer mode for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 120 minutes. You can turn this on and get that amount of time of ambiance. You have a flashing mode where it could flash, and you have a smooth mode where it could smooth transition. You also have brightness controls on there where you can dim it down on any given color. Very simple to operate, and each one of these remotes will operate either one of these. As you can see, I can turn them both off or back on. Once you put these on, they're going to be extremely beautiful. So we're going to do that just to show you what it looks like. But you do that last once you've installed the base. But I want you to see what it looks like. And here you get a nice idea of what it looks like. I've just installed one of the glass on here and one of the lights. Just really beautiful. And again, you could just put white, and it's up to you what color you want. And the white will be the brightest, and then you see the beautiful green glass that comes through. So we're going to mount these. My wife's going to pick a spot, and then we're going to show you what they look like when they're mounted on our wall. Here's where I ended up putting it. This is where my wife wanted it to be, and it came out really nice. I centered it to the left and right of this antique mirror, and this table does have some green on it, so it works out perfect for the lampshade, and it just looks absolutely beautiful. This would be such an effort if I had to electrically wire those in, but I didn't have to do that. So the hardest part about this is deciding what color is going to look the best for your given mood, but you have all these choices, which is really amazing. So I'm totally impressed with the quality of this. And look how beautiful that looks, that silver looking metal on there and those green shades. They look just amazing. So I'm going to give the VerRon Store rechargeable battery wall sconce, the set of 2, with those beautiful green glass lampshades and the dual remotes that they include, 2 of these. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.